Guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna just jump right into this video because I'm bored and I really don't know what I'm gonna do with my eyes today. Nothing of that sort. I always come on camera and don't know what the hell I'm doing until I just get it together, you know. So right now it is 11:30 in the morning. I had my coffee, so I'm good. So I'm gonna start off with my moisturizer and primer. You guys know that I'll be using these two bad boys right here. And I don't know what I want to talk about today. I don't know what I want to do with my face. I just feel like doing my makeup, and it's also rainy outside, so I might do a rainy day makeup tutorial. I might call it that. Hopefully it works out, but who knows what's gonna happen. So now I'm gonna go into the Hue serum, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some onto my face. I'm telling you guys, this is really good for dry skin. Let me turn my phone down because I know it's gonna ring. I know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just put it all over my face. And what are you guys doing for Valentine's? Like, what's going on? What's the tea? What are you guys doing? What are you gonna buy for your man, your girlfriend, your husband, your wife? Let me know what you're doing. But for me, I really don't care about Valentine's. I care about Christmas and birthdays. That's my day. Like, I go all out for those days. So Valentine's Day, I really don't care. But we'll see what happens this year. Hopefully I get engaged. Oh, did I say it that loud? Oh, I don't know, but let's see what happens. So I'm gonna take my Benefit Precise Brow Pencil in 4.5, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. And today I'm doing my eyebrows really natural. Very natural today. Okay, so the eyebrow is on, and my eyebrow is really stiff. I use the Got To Be glue, the black one, onto my eyebrow, and it's really stiff right now, but the way how I shape it up and I keep it firm so it doesn't, like, you know sometimes when you do your eyebrow the hair doesn't stay up. This will definitely let it stay up. Let me know down below if you want me to do like how I do my eyebrow and get it to look like this, because I just fill it in a little bit with this pencil and I'm pretty much good, and it looks really natural. I love it. And I'm taking the Ruby Kisses in level 14. Okay, so you guys know the drill. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Ruby Kisses, and I'm gonna use my damp beauty blender, and I'm taking the darkest shade, which is almost done. You guys see that I hit pan, and I'm gonna go ahead and take that, and I'm gonna tap right onto my eyelid. So this is what I use to, put some color onto my eyelid, because you guys know I do have a little discoloration right there. I sometimes use a brush first and then wipe it, blend it out with my beauty blender, but I just feel like doing this today. And I'm also gonna put it right underneath my eyes where I normally would have concealed, because I started doing this the other day, which I told you guys in my previous video. I'm using the lighter shade now, this one, and I told you that you could use this as a color corrector if you don't want to use that orange shade, because a lot of people use the orange shade for the color corrector. But to be honest, you can use any shade, any color of your choice, as long as it's really thick and it's full coverage, and it will cover those discoloration under your eyes and right here, like wherever you guys have dark spots, 5 o'clock shadows, like what I'm doing right now, and any discoloration. You could go ahead and do that. I know right now it looks mad scary. Mad scary, like but not to be worried. because it will look so much better when you finish your entire makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the lid only. I'm using the Sasha buttercup, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right on the same beauty blender and tap it on. So I have a lot to do today, to be honest. I have 3 videos to record today. This is my first one, and it is 11:51 right now, and I'm still recording. So today's gonna be a long day for me. Hopefully I could do all 3, so let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm gonna hop into the Aina palette, and I think I want to use all brown shades today. Like, I want to do all brown. I don't know, but I feel like doing all brown shadows today. And there is 3 brown shadow, which is the edges, credit, and ginger. Yeah, those are all the 3 brown matte shades. I might pop a little bit of this color, which is called Lituation. It's really dark, like it's close to brown, so I might pop that in just to get a little shimmer. I'm not sure, but for now I want to start with edges, and I'm going to take it onto a fluffy brush. And you guys know the drill. Pigmentation come through, and I'm going to go ahead and feather it out, tap it in, blend it out, tap it in, blend it out. Pretty much that's all I'm doing. So how are you guys loving my upload? I am super duper happy that I am uploading every day. It's hard to upload every day and also to edit, and you're by yourself doing other stuff. It is super hard. Like, no joke. So I just want you guys feedback on how I'm doing. Is my lighting good? Is my sound good? Is my camera good? Am I doing good with my makeup? What other, videos you want me to do? What do you guys want me to talk about? You guys know I always put this all the way down to my bridge of my nose. Anything, leave it in the comment section. Like, I need your input, I need your love, I need your support, and I just want you guys to watch my video and enjoy it and not be bored. So guys, I need your input on creating content for you guys every day. Even though it's hard, but I'm not gonna give up, because I know in the long run it will definitely work out for me. So I'm not gonna give up. I'm not. So let me know in the comment section what do you guys want me to do on my channel, and let me know if my lighting, my sound, my everything, how is it for you guys? Do I need to upgrade? Is it okay? Because sometimes I think that my lighting is horrible. I don't know. Maybe I'm just over exaggerating, if that's the word. But I just need your guys' input in creating content, because I'm only doing this for you guys. And I'm also doing this because I love makeup, and makeup is art. Makeup is one size fits all. So I need to know how is everything going for you guys, and if you like my content. So next, I did went into edges, so now I'm going to go into credit, and I'm going to take it onto another brush, and I'm only going to focus it right into the crease. Right into the crease. And I don't think I want to do any wing liner today. Then I'm going to go back into edges and just clean up those sides so that the harsh line doesn't show. Okay, this is looking perfect. I like it already. So I'm just going to put a little bit more Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put another brush, and I'm gonna wet it this time. And the next shade I'm gonna go into, first I want to try, you know what, let me go into lituation, and I'm gonna put that right onto the lid, and I'm gonna tap it on. As you see, it's really dark and it have a little shimmer into it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tap it right onto the lid. And I'm trying to create a cut crease, but not really. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of curve it out like the way how I would normally do a cut crease, and I'm gonna stop it right here. Okay guys, so next I want to put a pop of a little bit more like brighter color into it. I'm gonna take a dollars and I'm gonna tap it in, even though dollars is it's a pressed pigment. I have on nails, so I can't use my fingers, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right onto the brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just tap it on right over it, just a little bit. I just want to have a little pop of brighter color onto the lid. I hope you guys can see it on camera, but it's really nice. So I'm gonna go back into edges and credits. I'm gonna blend those two together and just feather out the top parts just a little bit. Yeah, this makeup look is looking good. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, as I said, I am not gonna do a wing. I'm really not. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my NYX, and I'm gonna go ahead and line the lash line. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take this brown one here called Credit onto a flat brush, and I'm gonna tap right over that line. I told you guys I did it the other day in my video, and I kind of like it because I don't have a brown liner. So I just use that and tap right over it just to get it brown instead of black, just like that. And you could use any color that you want to go over it, and I think it will look good if you don't have another, you know, liner. So for next, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that everything is all blended onto here where I put that concealer. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do my face before I finish off the rest of my eyes, because I want to do something different. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start with the face, and for the face I'm gonna go into the Too Faced Born This Way, and my shade is Chai. I'm gonna put a little bit because you guys know that this is like really thick, and when I'm fixing it on my face, it doesn't look like my shade until it dissolves. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit. So next I'm going to use the two Tarte shape. One is in Tan Sand, which is this one, and then this one is in Deep. So I'm going to go ahead and put Tan Sand first, and then I'm going to put Deep a little bit over it, just to get a little bit of brighter highlights. Okay guys, so next I'm going to go into Butter from Fenty, and I'm going to go ahead and take that and set under my eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Fenty in Mocha Mami, and I'm going to go ahead and take that onto a brush before I brush off my face, and I'm going to go ahead and just do a contour. So now I'm going to go into my MAC in NW45 and brush off my face and also set the rest of my entire face. So I'm going to go back into the Jackie Aina palette and I'm taking edges onto a pencil brush. And I just want to go ahead and put it right underneath. Okay guys, so I'm going to use my Mario Badescas. Okay guys, so I did my lashes off camera. That video will be posting very soon of what I did, something different, so make sure you guys tune in for that. But I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of highlight. I'm using my e.l.f. highlight and I really like this. As I said, I rave about it and it's really inexpensive. I'm gonna be using both together and just go ahead and do a little bit of highlight, just to make it pop a little bit more. So next I'm gonna take a lip liner, and this one is in, what is it in? Chocolate? Yes, chestnut. And then I'm gonna take my Kat Von D, and this one is in a vampire. So I'm gonna go ahead and line the lips first. Okay guys, so this is the finished look, a very vampy but still look pretty. This was just random video, as I said in my intro. It was really random. I did not know what I want to do, but I did it, and as I said, and as usual, it came out looking flawless and nice. But I just want to thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe before you go. Turn on your bell because I do upload Monday through Friday. And yeah, leave me a comment, tell me how I'm doing, what other makeup tutorial you want me to do, any review, anything at all. Let me know in the comment section, and make sure you go ahead and pick up these lashes right now. They are fully in stock. I just did a video, so make sure you guys tune in for that one to see what video I created with these right here. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again in my next one. Bye.